Building wealth in your 20s is a pivotal time for establishing a strong financial foundation. One of the first steps is to create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. Understanding where your money goes each month allows you to identify areas where you can cut back and save more effectively. Prioritizing savings, even if it's a small amount, can have a significant impact over time due to the power of compound interest. Establishing an emergency fund is essential. Aim to save a few months' worth of living expenses to protect yourself against unexpected financial challenges, such as job loss or medical emergencies. This safety net allows you to make financial decisions without the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Investing early is one of the best ways to build wealth. Consider contributing to a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. These accounts provide tax advantages and can help grow your savings over time. Educate yourself about different investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Additionally, focus on minimizing debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. Pay off balances in full each month to avoid accumulating interest charges. Building a strong credit score during this time can also benefit you in the long run, making it easier to secure loans or favorable interest rates. Lastly, investing in yourself through education and skill development can enhance your career prospects and earning potential. Establishing good financial habits early in your 20s sets the stage for lasting wealth and financial security in the future.